we're fishing all the meat out of this, like so, and putting it in to a nice batch. Yeah. Then we're gonna ladle the vegetables and the stock into the blender. Then we're gonna put it on variable down, put it at the lowest speed possible. Make sure you hold the top. That's half. There's some extras in here. Then we're gonna put it on, and put it on high. Okay, that was on high for about 30 seconds. We can now pour this back. As you can see, the consistency and the color. And now we go back and put it back. Okay. Mix the two. Such an amazing color. Then we go and we start putting the mix the witch's pot again, and I put it. Then I look for the best looking leaf of cilantro, flip it, and then I wash it. And then in the kitchen, and voila!